Yeah, hello friends. Good day. Today we are going to discuss talent component team message box. So it is mainly used for debugging purpose, success or failure alerts, displaying variable values. So for all these cases, we can use team message box component in Talend. So we will do the practical example. Firstly, I will create the some sample job. Hello world. Yeah. So our component is team message box. Okay. Yeah. So in the team message box, simply I write hello world. Okay. So I need to print this alert message. So it is already hello world is there. So I need to execute this message box. I am executing this job. See, we can get the hello world message. So once we click on OK, then it's completed. Otherwise, it is running state only. So this is the alert message. Instead of here hello world, we can give job started. This type of message also it will print. So if we run this one, yeah, job started, the message came. So for this purpose, we use T message box in Talend. So thank you all.